Hi, my name is Jerry Monroe. I've been a member of North Oaks Church of Christ for approximately 4 years, and I'm anxious that we get back to a normal service where we can all come together, take our masks off, and hopefully we don't scare each other, and have a great in-person singing with the great song leaders, and just looking forward to that. Great. Easter Sunday, it was just great getting back and seeing friends, and while we are thankful for the technology that allowed us to continue service in a technological way, there's nothing more satisfying than coming together with people and fellow Christians that love each other and support each other and encourage each other. Well, of course, we all, most of us that I'm aware of, have our vaccinations and have followed the health guides that the medical establishment have given us. And I know there's been reluctance on some part, but I think that I just would encourage people to think it seriously. And I'm missing my brother, Aaron Anderson. I want to see Aaron's smiling face. And that's my challenge to you, Aaron. Come on out.